More than a century ago, in the early 1920s, two explorers from Tata Steel set out on a journey that would change the course of India's industrial story. R. Sobol travelled from the north, C.R. Iyengar from the south. Neither knew the other's path, but both were searching for the same promise: rich iron ore deposits that would fuel the dreams of a rising nation. Their paths converged in the dense forest of the Kolhan estate of Singhbhum district of Jharkhand and a little further south in the Keonjhar region of Odisha. Between two parallel ridges, they found what they had been looking for. Locals called it Niyamundi, which translates to that hill. To Tata Steel, it became Noamundi. In 1923, Tata Steel took the first lease of the mine. By June 1, 1925, mining began and a new chapter had started. The early years were built by sheer manual effort, with simple tools and relentless grit. Thousands of men and women worked every day, a progress carved by hand and carried on shoulders. In its very first year, Noamundi sent over 11,000 tons of iron ore to the steelworks in Jamshedpur. This ore fed furnaces, these furnaces forged steel, and steel became the backbone of an aspiring nation. What began as a quest for ore has evolved into a story of excellence, innovation, inclusion, and care for the land and its people. From a modest start to a robust capacity of 19 million tons per annum, from manual tools to digital technology and AI-enabled operations, from a workforce with limited representation to one that champions diversity and equality, from bare hills to greener sustainable landscapes underscored by solar energy and rainwater harvesting, from a remote mining outpost to a thriving township with schools, hospitals, skill centers, and sustainable livelihoods. The journey continues. A mine that restores as it extracts and propels the progress of the communities around, Noamundi has been the cornerstone of Tata Steel's rich legacy. Years to 100 years of excellence, resilience, empowerment, innovation, inclusion, sustainability. Years to 100 years of Noamundi.